You want to start by locking the steering wheel, make sure the wheels are straight. You can take the seat belt and go through the steering wheel to prevent it from spinning, because you don't want to mess up the SIR coil. And plug it in, and that'll be good enough. And find the steering shaft, the intermediate shaft, and there's a bolt that goes through it with a nut. Use a 15mm wrench. Loosen this up. And take that nut off like that, and then take the bolt out. Now you're going to slide the intermediate shaft towards the cab of the vehicle and separate it from the lower steering shaft. You can see that separated right there. Now under the dash, I need to remove the top part of the intermediate shaft. There's a nut right here with a bolt that goes through. Take the nut off, use a 15mm wrench. Loosen this up. There we go. And take that bolt out. And you can slide the shaft down off the steering column. So slide the intermediate shaft down, and then on the other side of the accelerator pedal, just grab the shaft and just try to slide it past there. And you might have to push it from the outside. And then you can slide it down and beside the accelerator pedal. Now I'm going to take the intermediate shaft and go around the accelerator pedal this way. And just slide that through the firewall. What's going on here? And slide that through there. And get this lined up. You could always take the accelerator pedal out of the way. That would make it a little easier as well. And take this bolt, get this started, and get the nut started. And tighten that down. If you can get a torque wrench in there, which is pretty tight, you're going to torque that to 46 foot-pounds. If not, do the best you can. And get that lined up, and then just slide it down. And then you can get the bolt started. And take this nut with the bracket. Get that in position. And tighten that down. and then torque that nut to 37 foot-pounds. Then the job is all done. You can take the seatbelt off and you're good to go.